This ramen is the most delicious and the easiest camping recipe we've made to date.
I'm doing our mise en place for our ramen bars. Chopping, I have some spinach. We did carrot and green onion with some mushrooms and sprouts. And then I will thinly slice up some steak as well.
Yummy! Let's do it. Get some bean sprouts, some green onion, whites, and also greens. Some spinach and some carrot. We've got some mushrooms. I'm gonna do 2 of those. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna do some steak. That on top. Beautiful. And then spices. Aromatics. Little ginger. Some garlic.
What chili crisp are you using?
Spice Witch. So yummy. It stays so crispy.
We just poured the bone broth over the uncooked noodles and beef to make this delicious and fast.